It's recording. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will try to do this intro as short as I can because we have an incredible makeup look ahead. For those of you that is your first time on my channel, hello! My name is Alex, a makeup artist in real life, and here on YouTube I would like to share my experience with makeup and the tips and tricks that I have learned along the journey with makeup. So if that's something that you might be interested in and you would like to improve your makeup skills, please give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. In this video it's an absolute honor for me because we have a beautiful Maltese model which I'm 100% sure that she will have a global career. We created a Kim K inspired makeup look with smoky eyes and nude lips. So if you would like to learn how I created this absolutely gorgeous makeup look on our exotically beautiful Kylie, then keep on watching. Alright, so we're starting off by cleaning Kylie's beautiful soft skin with a makeup wipe, and then we're going to continue with the skincare. In this makeup tutorial, what I'm using for her skin is the ordinary hyaluronic acid. Kylie is massaging her own skincare on her face and I'm moving on with the foundation. For this tutorial, I'm using the Dior Forever Undercover in the shades 21 and 32. Once I have layered the foundation onto her skin, I'm going to take my all-time favorite, oh my god, everything is all-time favorite in my YouTube videos, but anyway. Once the foundation is blended onto her skin, I'm going to proceed and take my, exactly, all-time favorite MAC concealer palette. So I'm using two Pro Concealer palettes. One is in the shade light and the other one is in the shade medium. Reason why is because I'm using the NC20 from the light shade and NC30 from the medium shade. I'm applying these underneath her eyes, on her forehead and on her chin as well. And I'm gonna proceed by blending with the same beauty blender that I have blended her foundation. To set the concealer under her eyes, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder, and this time around I'm gonna go a little bit more heavy than what you have seen in my previous videos. Reason why is because we'd like to achieve that smooth and really bright under eye effect that our beloved Kim K has. Is beloved used for people that are still alive? Let me know in the comments down below. For the eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in the shade medium brown, and I'm gonna start laying this product from the outer corner of her eyebrows. You know what? I've noticed that I'm using outer corner and inner corner a lot in my videos. The reason why is because that's where I'm applying the products, and I will try in this video to use those words as little as I can. Anyhow, I'm going to continue now and move on with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette, which is my all-time favorite. Oh my god, there it is again, all-time favorite nude palette. On the Morphe M441 blending brush, I'm going to lay the first shade, which is in the name Top. These shade names, you're gonna see throughout this tutorial how funny names they are, and I didn't say the name of the palette just because of monetization, like I'm gonna get monetized one day, but anyway. As a second shade, I'm using the shade Invitation Only. On the M433 eye blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Happy Ending and I'm going to apply it in the lash line and just making a small V kind of shape. With the Morphe M506 blending brush, I'm applying the Gender Fluid eyeshadow. With the Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm applying the shade I'm Close only in the outer corner of her eye. This time around I'm doing a small and I would say like a soft winged eyeliner, which will just complement her eye shape. I'm gonna dust off the excess of the baking powder and I'm gonna let Kylie to do the mascara and the waterline herself. With the Morphe M152 blending brush, I'm going to blend the same shades that I've used under eye below the lower lash line as well. And she likes what she sees. Moving on, I'm doing the eyelashes and I'm going to apply extremely glamorous eyelashes so that I can get that Smokey Kim K kind of look. As a bronzer, I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics and I'm going to apply it in the perimeter of the face, starting from her cheekbones, on her forehead, and just what is left over I'm going to apply it on her shoulders and underneath her collarbones as well. I'm applying the Precious Petal highlighter by Wet n Wild. With the Rimmel lip liner in the shade Cappuccino, I'm going to line her lips and then I'm gonna move forward with my favorite lipsticks by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This time I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin. Yeah, she does look like a celebrity. Look at her! Look at those eyes! Kylie, gorgeous. From the Volume 2 by Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini bundle, I'm taking the shade I'm Nude and I'm going to apply it just in the center of her lips. Reason why is because I'm going to get that ombre effect. For the final step, I'm going to set the makeup in place, and this is how we transform our naturally beautiful girl into an exotic bombshell. Enjoy! And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Until I see you in my next one. Bye. Yes. Woohoo! From the first try. Bye-bye.